Hey, welcome back. It's good to have you here. It's good to see you guys. Thanks for checking us out. Don't forget to check out our YouTube channel. We want to help you in every aspect of your life, careers especially, and when you can become better at what you do. That's what we want to help with. So today we're going to talk about Agile. What is Agile? Agile project management is an iterative development methodology, meaning that it is in pieces or sprints. With each sprint building and improving off the lessons from the previous sprint, this includes things like collaboration, self-organization, and cross-functionality of teams. An Agile project management has many different frameworks. A popular one is Scrum. You would be able to see it at work in things like extreme programming, the Crystal method, discipline agile, feature-driven development, and as we already mentioned, Scrum, which is very popular. A big benefit of the Agile methodology is the ability to find problems and create solutions quickly and effectively. The flexibility of Agile method allows project teams to respond to customers' reactions and constantly improve the product. This is a methodology that a lot of organizations use. They have to be ready for the conditions of change and be able to respond to it quickly. So Agile is perfect for that. This is just a brief nutshell of what Agile does. If you want to check out more about how you can become a programmer, an IT specialist, check out Clarusway.com. They will answer all the questions you need. Within 6 to 9 months, you can get a six-figure income, depending on what you're looking for in your career. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking us out. We appreciate it very much. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, but most of all, don't forget to share. Check out our YouTube channel. We'll be happy to. The links are all below, so we'll be happy to help you. If you have any questions, just send me a message. Have a great day. Bye-bye.